So we know that Curipod can create lessons for us from an AI bot, but there are a lot of ways to collaborate and share your work. The first is to create a team. Start by choosing the plus sign Create Team on the left-hand side and give your workspace a name. Let's call this our test workspace. Now it creates a new section in my dashboard where I can invite other people to work on lessons or share things across the platform. To add people to your space, choose the Invite Members, and here you can either add their emails to give them access, or you can copy the invite link and share it that way. Once you have everything set, the amount of people that you want, you can change any of your settings by using the settings icon at the top of the page. Once that's updated, you can add a lesson and people can work collaboratively on that particular lesson. Other options are to discover and share content on the platform. To get started, choose Discover in the top ribbon of your page, and here you can see pre-made materials that you can share or edit. You have math, check-ins, or you can use the search feature on the top right-hand corner and filter out your results for a specific topic or grade band. Once you've found what you're looking for, such as this particular worksheet, you can select it and add it to your materials. So if I were to open that particular worksheet, here you would see this functions just like any other worksheet that my students would fill out. I have some options on the left, such as copy and save. I can share it as a link, or I can simply select play. When I select play, it opens up the interactive feature of the worksheet itself and gives me an option to connect to my students. You also see that I can set a timer for how long my students have to complete this activity. Anytime you want to add students to your presentation, select the little person icon and you're given a QR code or a PIN number for that particular lesson. And students just need to go to curie.live where you can copy that link and share it on your Schoology page. Once they're there, they can log in with their own name and begin to complete the materials.